Today, we're diving into the Asuna Premium Slim Folding Treadmill by Sunny Health and Fitness. This treadmill is a game-changer for home gyms, offering a space-saving design without compromising on performance. With a sturdy build supporting up to 220 pounds, this treadmill features a shock absorption-equipped running deck, ensuring a comfortable workout experience that's easy on your joints. The 4-window display provides real-time tracking of essential metrics like time, distance, speed, and calories burned. The integrated pedometer adds an extra layer of motivation by keeping tabs on your steps during each exercise session. Adjusting your speed is a breeze with the on-console quick buttons, thanks to the powerful 2.5 peak horsepower motor supporting speeds from 0.6 to 8 mph. Portability is a highlight here. The treadmill folds flat easily with the included folding key, and its low-profile design allows you to slide it under surfaces or move it from room to room effortlessly. The folding tool, neatly stored on the base, secures the frame in place. Entertainment is covered too. Connect your music device to the onboard 3.5mm headphone port, listen to your favorite tunes through the integrated speakers, and keep your devices handy with the tablet holder. Transportation wheels add to the convenience, allowing you to move the folded treadmill in any direction. The dimensions, when folded flat, are 64L x 30.5 W x 4.5 inches, making storage a breeze. In summary, the Asuna Premium Slim Folding Treadmill offers a powerful and versatile workout solution for those looking to save space without compromising on quality. Whether you're into walking or running, this treadmill delivers on both performance and convenience, making it a solid addition to any home gym setup. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.